Okay, Pete, here we go. We're gonna try some cereal. Try some cereal? Yeah? How is that? Is it good? Want to try some more? There you go. Big guy. We got more. Here it comes. It's not bad, huh? Ready? Ready? Want some more? Go. Look at that big guy eating from a spoon. Yeah. I'm gonna give him some more. Is it good? No, not quite that way, honey. Go open your mouth. Go, ah. Ah, here comes. Ready? There you go. There you go. Yeah, do good. Not the fingers in the mouth. No, don't put your fingers in your mouth. No.